Today our new chapter is unit number 3, which is about decimals. Consider this number, which is 15.23. In this we have two parts. The first one, 15. 15 is the whole number part, while the number after this decimal point is called decimal part. The first number is 15, which is the whole part, and the number after decimal point, which is 23, is decimal part. In this chapter we will learn how to convert decimals into rational numbers, and the second important thing is we will learn about terminating, non-terminating, and recurring decimals. Note that the word decimal has been deduced from a Latin word which is decimus, and this decimus means the tenth part. So I'm now trying to convert the very first question in the first part, 0.36. Now I'm going to convert this decimal number into a rational number. Now the procedure will be remove this decimal from the decimal number and replace this decimal by 1. Then after decimal, this number and this one is replaced by 0 and another 0. Now this 0 is meaningless. Now dividing numerator and denominator by a common number, which is 4. Dividing this number by 4, we will get 9, and again this by 4, we will get 25. Dividing numerator and denominator by 4. So 9 divided by 5 is the required rational number. Now I am taking the third part of this very question. Now we need to convert minus 0.125 into a rational number. Now it is, as you know, that it is a rational number, and it is also in decimal form. So first of all, we need to remove this decimal point, so replace this by 1. Now after the decimal we have 1, 2, 3 digits, so replace each one of them by 0. Now this 0 is meaningless. Now the common number which can divide 1 to 5 and 1000 is 5. So dividing numerator and denominator by 5, 5 2s are 10, 2 carry 25, 5 5s are 25. Now 5 2s are 10, 0 and 0. Dividing numerator and denominator by 5. Next, again dividing by numerator and denominator by 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20 and 0. Again by same reasoning. So we'll be having now 5 over 40, 5 1s are 5, 5 8s are 40. So our required answer is minus 1 over 8, which is the required rational number. Next is 6.46. Remove, as we have done in the previous parts, remove this one by 1, then replace 4 and 6 by 2 zeros. So number is 4646 divided by 100. Dividing numerator and denominator by 2. So 2 3s are, 2 2s are, 2 3s are, and 2 5s are 10 and 0. Dividing numerator and denominator by plus 2. Next, we cannot divide these two numbers by a common number, So it is an improper fraction. The numerator is greater than the denominator, so we need to divide this by actual division, just like this. 3 to 3 divided by 50, multiplying by 6, 6 zeros are 0, 6 fives are 30, so we will be left with the 23 minus, then write this whole number in V-shape form. So 6 whole 23 divided by 50 is our required rational number. Now taking 8.125, remove this decimal point and replace this by 1. Replace 1, 2 and 5 by 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros. Now dividing numerator and denominator by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30, 1 carries to 2 makes it 12, 5 2s are 10, then 12, 2 is here 25, so 5 5s are 25, and 5 2s are 10, 0 and 0. Dividing numerator and denominator by 5. Again dividing this by 5, so 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 2 is left, so 25, 5 5s are 25, and 5 4s are 20, and then 0. So we are having now 3 to 5 divided by 40. Again dividing by 5, 5 6 are 30, and 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40. So dividing by 5. Now we are having 65 divided by 8. So it is also an irrational number. So by actual division, 8 8s are 64. So 8 whole 1 over 8 is our required answer. Now taking the last part of this very question, the 9th part, I have solved almost all of the odd parts of this first question in this exercise. So the last part of this question is minus 0.268. We need to convert this decimal number into proper fraction, that is a rational number. So remove this decimal point and replace it by 1. So 1, replace 2, 6 and 8. We have 3 digits on the right side of a decimal point, so replace 2, 6 and 8 by 3 zeros, 0 0 0. 3 digits and 3 numbers, 3 zeros. Now this 0 is meaningless. Now we can divide 268 and 1000 exactly by 2. So we cancel this by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, and 3 4s are 8, and here 2 5s are 10, 0 0. So we are having now 134 divided by 500. Again we can divide this by 2. 2 6 are and 2 7s are, and 2 2s are 4, then 2 5s are 10, 0. So we are having now 67 divided by 250 as our required answer.